Hello and welcome to Herbalist channel. Today, we're exploring a magical herbal combination that's been loved for centuries: cumin, coriander, and fennel. These three simple seeds pack an incredible punch when it comes to health, especially for digestion. But there's so much more than just spices. How can we use this powerful trio as tea or in the kitchen? And what exactly makes it so beneficial? Stick with me, and let's unravel the secrets of this natural remedy together. First, let's get to know these ingredients a little better. Cumin seeds, with their warm and earthy flavor, are a staple in cuisines worldwide. But did you know they're also known as a natural digestive aid? In traditional medicine, cumin has been used to relieve bloating, gas, and even mild stomach cramps. Next, we have coriander seeds. These little golden seeds are incredibly versatile. Not only do they add a refreshing taste to dishes, but they also cool and calm the digestive system. Coriander is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for soothing the gut. And finally, fennel seeds. Fennel has a sweet, licorice-like flavor that many find comforting. But beyond its taste, fennel is a superstar when it comes to relieving indigestion and gas. In many cultures, chewing fennel seeds after a meal is a tradition to aid digestion. Now imagine combining these three. It's like creating a natural tonic that supports your body in the most gentle way. One of the easiest and most effective ways to use this mixture is by making tea. Let me show you how. Start with 1 teaspoon each of cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and fennel seeds. Measure them out and place them in a small pot or saucepan. Add 2 cups of water and bring it to a gentle boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5-7 minutes. This allows the seeds to release their essential oils and flavors into the water. After simmering, strain the liquid into your favorite cup. You can enjoy it as is, or add a touch of honey or lemon for extra flavor. Sip it slowly, especially after meals, and let it work its magic. But what makes this tea so beneficial? Let's break it down. When you consume this tea, it helps your digestive system relax and function more efficiently. It reduces gas, eases bloating, and promotes smooth digestion. Many people report feeling lighter and more comfortable after drinking it. And it's not just for after meals. This tea can be a lifesaver if you're feeling heavy or sluggish due to overeating. Now let's explore other ways to use this powerful blend. You don't have to stop at tea. This mixture can easily become a part of your cooking routine. Here's a simple tip. Grind equal parts of cumin, coriander, and fennel seeds into a fine powder. Store it in an airtight container. This spice mix can be sprinkled on soups, stews, salads, or even roasted vegetables. It not only enhances the flavor of your food, but also brings those digestive benefits right to your plate. For rice dishes, you can toss the whole seeds into the pot as you cook. They'll infuse the grains with a delicious aroma and a touch of wellness. If you enjoy making your own bread or crackers, try adding this spice mix to the dough. It gives a unique twist and makes your baked goods even healthier. Now let's dive a little deeper into the benefits. Cumin is rich in antioxidants and contains compounds that stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. This means it helps your body break down food more effectively. Coriander is known to support liver health and detoxification. It also helps regulate bowel movements and can reduce discomfort from indigestion. Fennel, on the other hand, is a natural antispasmodic. It can soothe stomach cramps and ease discomfort from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Together, these three create a balanced remedy that supports your gut health in multiple ways. But did you know this mixture may also benefit other parts of your body? Cumin, coriander, and fennel are all known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Regular use might help reduce inflammation in your body, promoting better overall health. Some studies even suggest these seeds could support a healthy metabolism. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your energy and feel great, this is a fantastic addition to your routine. Now let's talk about consistency. To see the full benefits, make this mixture a part of your daily life. It's not about drinking the tea once or sprinkling the spice mix occasionally. It's about creating a small, healthy habit that can make a big difference over time. And the best part? This remedy is completely natural, affordable, and easy to prepare. No chemicals, no side effects, just pure herbal goodness. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you're in a hurry, you can make a batch of this tea ahead of time. Brew a larger quantity, let it cool, and store it in the fridge. Warm it up when you're ready to drink, or enjoy it cold as a refreshing herbal infusion. So, what do you think? Are you ready to try this amazing combination for yourself? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried cumin, coriander, and fennel before? Or do you have any special ways of using them in your kitchen? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Herbalist channel for more natural remedies and tips. Together, let's embrace the power of herbs and live healthier, happier lives. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.